In this lecture, we'll know how to insert columns and rows. So if we want to insert a new column, so here in Excel it's slightly different. So if you insert a column or row, so for inserting column, this column will be in the left side. So here first we will insert a new column, so we are selecting this F column and then right click on the mouse, and then from this here we will select insert. After clicking insert, a new column, this will be the F column in the left side. So here we have known that how to insert a new column. We have learned how to insert a new column. Now we will insert a new row. So here we have selected this new row. So if we want to create and insert a new row, then right click here and then insert, then we'll see that there is an entirely new row here in this worksheet.